In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Shopify Spotlight theme. Let's start at the source. Open the Shopify website, log into your dashboard, and look to the left sidebar. Click Online Store, then choose Themes. This is where all your storefront design lives, and it's the safest place to work because you can make changes visually before anything goes live. Next, enter the customizer by hitting the Customize button on your Spotlight theme. This opens the theme editor, a live preview on the right and controls on the left. You'll use this space to see changes instantly and keep everything consistent with your brand. Begin with your foundation in Theme Settings. Here you can upload your logo so it appears crisp in the header, set your primary and secondary colors, and pick typography that matches your brand voice. A clean sans serif often pairs well with Spotlight's minimal look, but choose fonts that support readability. As you adjust colors, aim for strong contrast between text and backgrounds to keep your store accessible. Tiny tweaks here ripple across your entire site, so take a moment to dial them in. Now shape your pages in the Structure area. This is where you add or remove sections, reorder them, and tweak layouts. Spotlight is built around flexible blocks. Think image banners, featured collections, and text sections that you can drag into place. If a section isn't pulling its weight, remove or hide it to keep the page focused. You can also set or refine color schemes for specific sections to create visual hierarchy, like a subtle background behind a featured product row to make it stand out. With the layout in place, fine-tune styling, adjust color schemes per section to echo your brand palette, refine spacing so content feels balanced, and align images so they crop cleanly. Use consistent button styles and headings to guide shoppers, and keep product photos uncluttered to let merchandise lead. As you work, preview on mobile and desktop within the editor to ensure everything scales smoothly. Spotlight is responsive, and the small screen is where many customers will see your store first. When you're happy with the look, click Save to lock in your changes. Take a final pass through the preview, confirm your colors, typography, and layout. Feel cohesive, and you're done. You've customized the Shopify Spotlight theme in a way that's clean, on brand, and ready to convert.